How do criminal lawyers defend and successfully fight against and hopefully win very tough cases? Oftentimes, going to interview witnesses and those kind of things that prove their theory of the case. They believe that a case happened one way, but maybe we don't. Maybe we think that our client did shoot someone, but it was in self-defense, and that's very serious, and they didn't want to do that. But under Georgia law, that they were justified. Maybe this person was threatening their family. Well, conducting a thorough investigation where we're actually putting boots on the ground with an investigator, getting people interviewed, getting other opinions from people who were not interviewed at the beginning by law enforcement is something that can prove very powerful in developing a strategy for the defense. And those are the kind of things we can do to overcome a tough situation, right? I mean, if someone was shot, that's a terrible situation. We don't ever want that to happen, but perhaps it was lawful. There are times in Georgia where you are allowed to defend yourself, but we may have to do the work because in a case like that, a self-defense case, for instance, we may actually have to prove at a hearing down the road, an immunity motion, for example, that our client was fearful for his life, that he did act in a way of self-defense, and those witnesses that an investigator finds and interviews and can bring to court to testify might be the difference in someone going to prison for decades or even life, or them going home to see their families that night.